In the world where everyone's mailbox profile picture looks like this, having something personal and standing out can be the difference between closing a deal and losing it. That's why in today's video, I want to show you how to create and set up these GIFs as your email account profile pictures, stand out from the crowd and increase your reply rate, right? So what you want to do, this tool is free, is go to Salesforge. You go to Salesforge, you go to Tools, you click Discover Tools, and here you'll see Email GIF Generator. You click Launch Tool, and then all you need to do is upload 2 pictures that you want the GIF to switch between. So first, let's add myself, and for the second image, let's have my cute doggo, right? It works best if you have square images, but if you upload anything else like vertical format, it will just squeeze it down and you get a GIF. So what you can do with it is actually just download it, then go to your email infrastructure provider, and then you can simply change the profile picture into your generated GIF. As you can see here, it changes between me and my dog and save as profile picture. And simple as that, you'll have a GIF as your profile picture, you'll break a pattern, a boring pattern of looking like this, and you'll increase your reply rate. Now, if you want to see how to actually create mailboxes like Microsoft 365 or Gmail set up for cold email for less than half the price and in bulk, then I suggest you take a look at this video.